Hey guys, Eric Torres here at Eric Sells Homes DFW, and we are in North Arlington at 1809 Elmhurst. And I wanted to kind of show you this house because this house kind of has it all. 1809 Elmhurst in North Arlington is right there off of Fielder and Lamar. It's Butler Elementary. It is Shackelford Junior High, and it's Lamar High School, and it's less than half a mile to I-30. So if you need to get back and forth between Dallas and Fort Worth, that's where you go. So let's go on in and take a look, because I want to show you this kitchen in this open concept. So as you can see, as you walk in, we have a complete open concept. And so in one of these older homes, there used to be a wall right here, and it was a second living and dining room. But what this homeowner did is he came in and opened up the wall and made it a complete open concept here. Tile flooring, picture windows, all have been redone. Quartz countertops, gas, farm sink that leads out into the whole open area of your living room. Kitchen area, yeah, nice utility off the kitchen. And then on this particular property, it's 0.25 of an acre. So it is a larger lot. As you can see by the backyard, it is a great lot here in North Arlington. Side entry garage, storage shed. Guys, this is a good one. Call me if you need me anything. EricSellsHomesDFW.com.